Planning to land in Nigeria in 2025, but not sure what to expect or what's changed. From the brand new e-visa process to the digital landing card, from clearing immigration and baggage claims to finding safe transport out of the airport, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through every step of arriving at a Nigerian international airport, using the most up-to-date procedures as of August 2025, so you can arrive confident and prepared. Before you arrive in Nigeria, let's start with what you need to do before your flight even takes off, because arriving prepared will save you time and stress at the airport. 1. E-visa system. From May 1st, 2025, Nigeria officially moved to a fully online e-visa system for most international visitors. This means there's no more visa on arrival option for the majority of travelers. You now have to apply in advance from your home country or wherever you are before boarding your flight. The process is straightforward. You fill out your details online, upload the required documents, and pay the application fee. In most cases, your visa approval will arrive by email within 24 to 48 hours, though it's wise to apply at least a week before your trip in case of delays. Once approved, print out a copy of your e-visa confirmation or save it securely on your phone, because you'll be asked for it at multiple checkpoints. 2. Digital landing card. In addition to the e-visa, Nigeria now requires most arriving passengers to complete a digital landing card. This is essentially your arrival declaration, replacing the old paper forms. You must fill it out online within 72 to 96 hours before you arrive, ideally 1 to 4 days prior to your flight. The form will ask for basic details like your travel dates, flight number, reason for visit, and where you'll be staying in Nigeria. Once submitted, you'll receive an email confirmation. I highly recommend printing it out or keeping a screenshot on your device, because immigration officers will want to see proof that you've completed it. 3. Exit card. Here's something many first-time visitors don't know. Before you leave Nigeria, you'll also need to complete a digital exit card again within the same 72 to 96-hour window before departure. It's a similar process to the landing card and helps the authorities keep track of travelers entering and leaving the country. 4. Who is exempt? If you are a Nigerian citizen, you do not need a visa, and you do not need to fill out the digital landing card. Citizens of certain ECOWAS countries may also be exempt from the visa requirement, though they will still need to complete the landing card in most cases. Always double-check the latest rules for your nationality before traveling. Tip: keep all your travel documents, passport, e-visa approval, landing card confirmation, yellow fever vaccination certificate together in one easy-to-reach folder or wallet. This will make your arrival in Nigeria much smoother. Touchdown, arrival, and security screening. Once your plane touches down in Nigeria and you disembark, you'll be directed toward the arrival hall. This is where your first official process begins: security screening. You'll walk through a checkpoint where airport security staff will guide you to place your carry-on bags, jackets, laptops, phones, and any metal objects into trays for scanning. You'll then pass through a metal detector. In some cases, they may also use a handheld scanner for extra checks. If anything in your bag looks unusual on the X-ray, or if you trigger the alarm, you may be pulled aside for a secondary inspection. This isn't uncommon and could be as simple as an officer opening your bag and taking a quick look, so stay calm and cooperative. Security at Nigerian airports has been tightened in recent years, so even though the process might take a few extra minutes, it's all aimed at ensuring safety. Tip: have your electronics easily accessible, and avoid packing prohibited items like sharp objects or liquids over 100 ml in your carry-on to speed things up. Once you're cleared, you'll follow signs to the immigration area, where the real entry process begins. Immigration, documents, and biometric screening. After clearing security, your next stop is immigration control. This is where your entry into Nigeria is officially approved. You'll see different lanes for Nigerian citizens, ECOWAS nationals, and foreign travelers. Make sure you join the correct line. If you're a visitor, head to the foreign passports section. When it's your turn, step up to the counter and present the following: your passport valid for at least 6 months from your arrival date, your approved e-visa printed or on your device, your completed digital landing card confirmation. The immigration officer will scan your documents and may ask a few simple questions, such as, what is the purpose of your visit? Where will you be staying in Nigeria? How long will you be here? Answer politely and confidently. These are routine checks. As part of Nigeria's enhanced border control, you'll also undergo biometric screening. This typically includes fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, photograph capture. At major airports like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Enugu, and Kano, e-gates and Advanced Passenger Information (APIS) systems are now in place. This has made the process faster for travelers who have completed all their forms in advance. Tip: keep your travel documents, hotel booking details, and return ticket handy. If asked, showing proof of onward travel can speed up your clearance. Once the officer stamps your passport, you're officially in Nigeria. From here, you'll proceed to the baggage claim area to collect your luggage. Baggage claim. Once you've cleared immigration, follow the overhead signs directing you to the baggage claim area. This is usually just a short walk from the immigration hall. Inside, you'll see several conveyor belts, also called carousels, each assigned to a specific flight. Look for the baggage display screens, which will list your flight number and the carousel where your luggage will arrive. Find a spot near your assigned carousel and wait for your bags to appear. It's a good idea to double-check the luggage tag or identifier to make sure you're picking up the right bag, especially if it's a common style or color. If your luggage is damaged, delayed, or missing, don't leave the area. Instead, go straight to your airline's baggage service desk or representative in the claim hall. They will help you file a property irregularity report (PIR) and track your bags. Make sure to keep a copy of the report and get their contact information for updates. Tip: if your luggage is taking a while, use the wait time to quickly check that you still have your travel documents, wallet, and any valuables you carried on board. Once you've collected your luggage, your next stop is customs before you can exit the airport. Customs declaration. With your luggage in hand, your next step is customs, the final checkpoint before leaving the airport. As you approach, you'll see two clearly marked channels: green channel for passengers with nothing to declare. Use this lane if you're only carrying personal items, clothes, and goods within the duty-free limits. Red channel for passengers with goods to declare. This includes items over the duty-free allowance, large sums of cash above the declared threshold, restricted items, or anything prohibited. Even if you choose the green lane, be aware that random checks are common. Customs officers may ask to inspect your bags to ensure you're not carrying restricted goods. Nigeria has strict regulations on items such as certain medications without a prescription, firearms or weapon, agricultural products like fresh fruits, vegetables, or plants, large amounts of foreign currency without declaration. Failing to declare items that should be declared can lead to fines, confiscation, or even legal action, so it's always better to be honest. Tip: if you're unsure whether something should be declared, simply go through the red channel and ask. Officers generally appreciate transparency, and it can save you from trouble later. Once cleared by customs, you're free to proceed to the arrivals exit and begin your journey in Nigeria. Exit the airport and transport options. Once you've cleared customs, follow the signs marked Arrivals or Exit. You'll enter the public arrivals area where friends, family, hotel drivers, and transport services typically wait for passengers. When it comes to getting to your destination, you have a few reliable options. Authorized airport taxis. These are the official taxis approved to operate at the airport. They have fixed or metered fares depending on the location. Before you get in, confirm the price with the driver or at the taxi booking counter inside the terminal. Ride-hailing app services like Uber and Bolt operate in major cities such as Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. You can book directly through the app, but note that pickup points for ride-hailing cars are sometimes located a short walk from the main exit, so check the app for instructions. Prearranged hotel or pickup services. If your hotel offers an airport transfer, or if you've arranged for a driver to meet you, look for your name on a placard in the arrivals waiting area. This option is often the most convenient for first-time visitors. Tip: only use licensed or trusted services, especially if you're arriving late at night. Avoid accepting unsolicited taxi offers from people inside or outside the terminal, as these may not be safe or reliable. From here, you're officially in Nigeria. Welcome. And that's your complete step-by-step guide to navigating a Nigerian airport in 2025. From getting your e-visa and filling out the digital forms, to clearing immigration, collecting your baggage, and finding safe transport, you now know exactly what to expect for a smooth arrival. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who are traveling, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels and enjoy your time in Nigeria.